In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a payment link on Stripe. This can be a game changer if you're looking to streamline the way you collect payments, making it easier and more efficient for you and your customers. We're going to walk through the process step by step to ensure there's no confusion and you feel confident in setting up your own payment link, so let's dive right in. First things first, head over to the Stripe website. If you're already familiar with Stripe, you know that it's a powerful platform for managing online payments. Look for the sign in button at the top right corner of the home page. Once you click that, you'll be prompted to enter your email and password. Go ahead and fill in your credentials and then click on the sign in button again to access your account. Once you're signed in, you'll be directed to your Stripe dashboard. This is where you can see an overview of your business's financial performance and manage all your transactions. From here, navigate to the home section of the dashboard where you can access various tools and features that Stripe offers. Next, you're going to want to go to the payments section. This is a crucial step because it's where you'll be setting up the payment link. After you click on payments, look for the payment links option and select that. Payment links are an incredibly convenient way to request payments, and they don't require any coding on your part. The next step is to add a product. If you already have products or services set up, you can choose from those, otherwise you'll need to create a new product by entering details like the name, description and price. Once you have your product ready, you'll see an option to select various settings or options related to it. Make sure to review these carefully as they will determine how the payment link functions. Once that is sorted, you'll notice an option for advanced settings or options. This section lets you customize the payment process further, allowing for features such as collecting additional information from customers or setting up recurring payments. Select the options that best suit your needs. With everything configured to your satisfaction, hit the pay option to ensure all details are in place. Then proceed to create the link by clicking on Create Link. After this step, you will have successfully generated a payment link. The final step is to click on the payment link itself to view it and ensure everything looks good. Congratulations, you have just created a payment link on Stripe. Now you can share this link with your customers via email, on your website or through social media to receive payments seamlessly. Thank you for following along and happy billing.